So you want to lose weight fast and keep it off forever? There's a never-ending amount of information you could find on the internet about rapid weight loss. Some work pretty well and some not so well. Whatever tips you decide to follow, there are two things you must do that will assist you in reaching your goals. There are a ton of different ideas you can choose from, but you want to make sure that the ideas you decide to implement are going to be ones that will help you instead of hurting you. No point in trying to lose a few pounds by doing something that is really going to hurt you health-wise. Take a look at these couple of tips to get you started in the right direction for losing weight and maintaining great health. Here's the first tip. Balance your macronutrients or macros. They are essential nutrients the body needs in large quantities to remain healthy. Macronutrients provide the body with energy, help prevent disease, and allow the body to function correctly. There are three main types of macronutrients: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Macronutrients are nutrients that people regularly require in large quantities to provide their bodies with energy to perform bodily functions and daily activities. Macronutrients are available in many food sources, but it can be difficult to determine the right amount to consume based on your body type. Keep watching to get a rough estimate to get you started. There are also a number of factors that can influence the quantity of macronutrients people may need. The exact amount of each macronutrient a person requires may vary based on individual factors such as weight, age, and pre-existing health conditions. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a source of energy for several body tissues and the primary energy source for the brain. The body can break carbohydrates down into glucose, which moves from the bloodstream into the body's cells and allows them to function. Carbohydrates are important for muscle contraction during intense exercise. Even at rest, carbohydrates enable the body to perform vital functions such as maintaining body temperature, keeping the heart beating, and digesting food. Protein. Protein consists of long chains of compounds called amino acids. These play an essential role in the growth, development, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. Protein is present in every body cell, and adequate protein intake is important for keeping the muscles, bones, and tissues healthy. Protein also plays a vital role in many bodily processes, such as aiding the immune system, biochemical reactions, and providing structure and support for cells. Fats. Fats are an important part of the diet that can also provide the body with energy. While some types of dietary fats may be healthier than others, they are an essential part of the diet and play a role in hormone production, cell growth, energy storage, and the absorption of important vitamins. So here is a rough estimate of how much macronutrients you need to consume. The Federal Acceptable Macronutrient Distribution Range suggests the following percentages of macronutrients for good health and to provide essential nutrition. 45 to 65% carbohydrates. 20 to 35% fats. 10 to 35% protein. Keep in mind that people's calorie and macro requirements can vary due to factors such as age, sex, and whether they are pregnant. Additionally, other factors that can influence a person's macro requirements can include current weight, fitness goals, existing health conditions, and current muscle mass. Tip 2. Lift more weight. Lifting weights is one of those exercise ideas that is often misunderstood. The thought of lifting weights brings to mind pictures of enormous biceps, popping out with veins all over. Truth is, lifting weights, even light weights, can be a great idea for someone who wants to lose some weight fast. To start with, you really only need a couple of very light weights. Something in the 3 or 5 pound range. And you only need to do a few repetitions of any exercise. For example, you could start with a simple exercise like a curl or do some bodyweight exercises like push-ups or squats. Just a few repetitions to get you going and help you maintain the habit. You may feel a little sore in the beginning, but your body will begin to burn some fat and get healthier and stronger. These couple of ideas are great starting tips. Eventually, you might need to increase the amount of weight you use and the number of times you lift it. But for today, this is a good place to start to begin to burn off some extra calories and lose some weight quickly.